So auto-clicking is a very cool thing that's available on pretty much every single platform out there, and you may want to do this for all sorts of different reasons. But the reason or the thing, basically, there's a lots of different ways to do this on an Android phone. And to do this, what you want to do is you want to go and make your way over to your Play Store. Now, there are tons of applications that allow you to use auto-clickers. You don't have to be rooted or anything like that, but I will probably tell you the one that I used is a decent one. It's not perfect, but you can use whichever one you want to. I'm not sponsored by any of these people, so choose whichever one you want. And this is the one that I used, and it worked pretty well. Again, you can use this if you want to. You don't have to. It's whatever. You can use whichever one you want. So now that I do, but now that I downloaded this one, I can go and tap on the open button, and it's going to basically require you to go ahead and enable this specific application to give it permission in the settings application. So what I did was I just gave it permission to what it needed. If you want to do that, you can do that. If you don't feel comfortable, you don't have to do it. But when you're done and when you're ready and when you give it permission, you'll basically come into this page. So now what you can do is you can go and tap on the enable option. So tap on enable and you will see this thing come up. Now this is single target mode. There's also multi-target mode if you want to auto click into two different spots or multiple different spots. But in this specific situation, I'm just doing this one. So now you will see this prompt come up. Now what is this? Well, this is basically a little option where it's going to go show you where exactly you can auto click. And this is going to be the toolbar. So what you can do is you can make your way over to the application where you want to go and auto click. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and make my way over to my messaging application as an example. And I'm just going to go ahead and basically hover this over the T, whatever, like the U icon right here. So I'm going to hover this over U. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on settings. Now you can change the specific settings of that, the auto clicker to whatever you want to. You can have it run indefinitely or a certain amount of time if you want to run it for like 5 minutes or even a number of cycles. Maybe you just want to do it for like 100 times or something. You can also change the interval of how many times it clicks. So if you want to change it higher or lower, it's going to change how fast it clicks in a time. And then when you're done, you can click save. Now when you're at the specific option or the page where you're ready to go and actually start clicking, all you want to do is click on this little play button right here and watch what happens. You are seeing in real time basically how this auto clicker works, and it's going to just keep clicking over and over and over again, and it's not going to stop. So it's just going to keep going forever, and then when I'm ready, what I can do is if I want to stop it already, I can just click on this stop button right there. So I'll click on stop right there, and it's going to stop it actually loading up and actually clicking on that U icon. So that is basically how it's done. It's a super basic process, and if you want to basically turn it off, you go back into that auto clicker app, and you click disable, and it's going to disable that specific option from there. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.